Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails drinks with vodka. We'll cover essential tools like a jigger for precise measurements, a shaker for proper mixing, and a strainer to ensure a smooth drink. Remember to chill your glassware beforehand. This simple step keeps your drink colder longer. Always opt for good quality vodka and the freshest ingredients available to elevate your cocktail experience. Let's begin with the incredibly simple yet satisfying vodka soda. You'll need 2 ounces of your favorite vodka and 4 ounces of crisp soda water. For a zesty kick, add a generous squeeze of fresh lime or lemon. Pour everything over plenty of ice in a tall glass, and you have a perfectly refreshing, low-calorie cocktail ready in under 1 minute. Next up is the iconic Moscow Mule, a delightful blend of spicy and tangy. Combine 2 ounces of vodka with 4 ounces of robust ginger beer. Then, add 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. Stir gently and serve this vibrant concoction over ice in a traditional copper mug, garnished with a fresh lime wedge. It's a truly invigorating drink. Our final easy cocktail is the popular vodka cranberry, also known as a Cape Codder. Mix 1.5 ounces of vodka with 4 ounces of tart cranberry juice. A small splash of fresh lime juice can beautifully balance the sweetness. Serve this vibrant red drink over ice, perhaps in a highball glass, and garnish with a lime wedge or an orange slice for a touch of elegance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.